Alright guys, welcome back to Vermont Mapleview Farm. Today's video is going to be about, we had gotten some material dropped off last week and my stepson had kind of dragged it all out for us and everything. But since then we've had some rain, so stuff is kind of settled and packed uneven. So we've got the grader attachment on the front of the bucket. We're going to go around, patch up some areas in the driveway and drag out some of the ruts that attach between the house and the barn. And, you know, see if we can make the driveway a little bit more livable to get through mud season. All right? Catch you at the end of the video. So that's going to probably wrap it up. We're going to do a little bit more hand raking off camera, flatten out some of the higher areas, and then pack it down with the Jeep and the GMC to get everything put in place. But that's going to wrap up today's video, so thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed our little driveway project. Catch you next time. Vermont Mapleview Farm out.